Hello Internet. Today we have this 4080 from PNY that the customer called paperweight. In case you didn't know, 4080 is basically a 4090, except it's what's left of a 4090 that was half dead. Instead of throwing away a half-dead 4090, Nvidia decided to disable many of its features and give you this thing they called 4080. Basically half of the die was chopped off, and that's what you get.
Perfect.
As a standard step-by-step diagnostic process, I'll start by measuring the resistances in the key areas. Then, quickly move the board under a microscope, looking for any knocked off components. And since I didn't see anything wrong, let's power it on without the high power connector first and see what it does. Nothing. That's good. Now let's power it on with the connector, and it seems to pull just over 1 amp, and nothing blew up. So far so good. Now let's boot the card and see if it posts. And it doesn't. Okay, let's run the memory test, and the test says that we have a common collection of errors pointing at this chip right here. Under normal circumstances, I would blame the China chip, but the problem with this board is the chip is miles away from the danger zone, so I think the problem is under the core. So let's reball the core and the memory chip to be 100% sure, and see if that helps. Reball is done. As you have seen, I had to replace a couple of capacitors that did not survive the heat stroke. And with that there, resistance measurements are the same and just over 1 amp of current as before. Everything looks exactly the same, so let's boot the card and see if it posts. There. The card posted. I'm going to put everything back together, have one last look at this beauty and run some tests. Hopefully this video was entertaining. You owe me a like for the cats. Goodbye.